slowly.
Here we have 3 hornbills.
Have you got them zoomed?
Yeah, that's as close as the zoom goes. 3 hornbills. We used to chase these in Indonesia and Sumatra. Beautiful, beautiful birds. They're very trusting, aren't they? Just to stay there.
Slowly.
Slowly, slowly moving. They're aware that we're here. And they're not bothered. How lovely is that? Wow. I've never been so close to them before.
You want to get even closer?
They're hornbills. They always stay very high in the trees. And fly from tree top to tree top up and across the valley. Oh, look at that. Now we're getting excited. How lovely is that? Thank you. Oh, go on. Beautiful India, wild India. And it really is wild. It's alright, guys, girls.
That must be the male. Really smaller.
Yeah.
Small feet.
And there's another smaller one as well, so it must be
maybe that's big.
1 male and 2 females, maybe.
Well, that might be the offspring. Go on.
They're very tame, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
There's an amazing feeling in India of harmony between people and animals. The way the cows just amble about in and around the streets, and cows and dogs and men all sleeping next to each other, and women.